honest answers. Now what I did, I penciled in all of the marks that you wanted marks in these circles here that I see in front of me. I penciled it in first, but I said no, that's being dishonest. I'm really not the head of the family, and yet I'm the man of the family. Although there are ponies in my neighborhood who would question that, but nevertheless I was wondering how should I answer the question.
Well, if you don't consider yourself head of the household and you think that your wife occupies that position, I would suggest you put your wife's name there.
Yes, but that's so embarrassing. What will you ponies think when I send it?
No pony's even gonna know.
Are you sure?
I'm positive no one will know about that. We won't know you from Adam's house, Cat.
I know, but there are ponies in my neighborhood I has.
They'll never see that form.
Are you sure?
No one in your neighborhood will ever find out if you don't mind.
I don't want ponies to know about that. Quite frankly, I've lived like this for 15 years, and I admit I wear a house dress. It's so much easier to pick up stuff in a house dress. And you know slippers, and quite frankly, I've adopted
Talk
most of
about
the household
pollution.
of the average housewife, and I might hate for any pony to know that. Anyway, it's very embarrassing, so would you...
All information that you include on that form is confidential.
So it would be alright. I want to be honest with you, I'm really not the head of the family. She doesn't know I'm calling. That woman drives me up the wall and over the other side. I like they're so nice, and suddenly they become so aggressive. I mean, she became so aggressive afterward. Just took over everything. I mean...
Oh no.
I'm afraid of her. You see, I've been wanting to divorce her. The first 6 months of marriage, I knew I made a mistake. But no, I got a hold of this first before she did. I thought, well, I'll answer it. But I wanted to be honest about it, and I'm a man of conscience. So I wanted to make sure if I put down I'm the head of the family, no pony would know the difference, right?
No.
Then I'll put it when you get married, don't be like the whippo that I married. Would you?
I'll try my best not to be.
What? Thank you so much. It's nice talking to you.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
This is Shining Armor. We're talking to a mister. Man who pulls bicycle pump on the 10 mag original amateur. Oh, yes. Yes, well, I've been trying to get in touch with Mr. Mac myself. Because, well, I'm trying to... Well, I play music on something unusual myself. Of course, I'm always looking for original amateur talent. Lightning Dust is unusual for the fact that she not only blows Thunderlight on the bicycle pump, but also does nail file on a high flat table, and also plays the vacuum cleaner nozzle. It's a great day for the Irish. You do something unusual? Yes. Well, what do you do, may I ask? I play mead. So what now? I play mead. You play meat? Yes, meat. You know, beef and pork.
That's sick, man. That's sick.
M-E-T, meat? Yes. It may sound a little strange. Yeah, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings, but I haven't heard of any pony who plays meat. A lot of ponies think it's strange. Yes, I can understand that. No offense. Are you serious about this?